Attio versus Notion. Attio is a modern, customizable CRM platform designed specifically for managing relationships and pipelines. It's fast, collaborative, and built for teams that want a powerful but lightweight CRM without the clutter of legacy tools. So what it offers is it has a purpose-built CRM with pipelines, contacts, and workflow automation. It also offers highly customizable data views and structures. It also has a real-time collaboration for teams. It also offers API and integrations, which makes it scalable for growing companies, and it has a modern interface, which is easy to onboard teams. The downside is, it's focused mainly on the CRM, not an all-in-one workspace. It lacks the deep document and project management features as well. Now, Notion, on the other hand, is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, docs, and project management. While not a CRM by default, many teams build custom CRM systems inside Notion using templates and databases. So its pros is it is extremely flexible. It is also affordable and great for small teams. It also has a strong collaboration tool for documents and databases combined. It also has a large community of CRM templates available, and it works well if you want CRM plus docs in one space. The only problem is, it's not a dedicated CRM. It lacks automation, relationship intelligence, and advanced reporting. So if you want a true CRM built for managing pipelines and relationships, Attio is the clear winner. But if your team values flexibility, documentation, and all-in-one hub where CRM is just one part of the workflow, then choose Notion.